Let's be school ready with Teacher Ray. Using many or few, much or little. Are you ready? Let's begin. Many flowers. A few birds. Much rice. A little salt. When do we use many and few? We use many or few for things that we can count or count nouns. Many is used for large numbers. Example, many books. Many gifts. We use few for a small number of things. Example, a few cars. A few bags. We use much or little for things that we cannot count or mass nouns. Much means a lot. For example, much water. Much rain. Little means not much. Example, a little jam. A little honey. Wow, you did it! Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.